Brima, Self-Brima, and the 9 Principles of Harmony support us to develop a direct and natural connection between body, mind, and feelings, which creates a foundation of safety and security as a support for your life. Join us in the Colorado Mountains, giving and receiving Brima bodywork, practicing Self-Brima exercises, and experiencing how the 9 Principles of Harmony can support you to come out of the mind and into a dynamic and nurturing relationship with yourself, with those around you, and with all of life.